To draw the pig from Angry Birds, start by drawing the shape of the head and marking the center with a vertical and horizontal line like this. Then you can round out the face's shape. Copy these 4 markings to place the snout. Do the same for the eyes. Draw 2 small round ears on top of the head here. Note that the right ear should be positioned slightly farther off to the side. Finish shaping the eyes and nose. Then add the nostrils and pupils like this. The pupils should face opposite directions, giving the pig a comical look. Draw 2 circles inside the ears. Outline your drawing. Once you're finished, erase any unnecessary lines. Now let's move on to the coloring. Start by coloring the face green. On the snout, we'll add some yellow over top of the green like this. Here, we used a darker shade of green for the reliefs . Use black to fill in the pupils. With an even darker shade of green, fill in the nostrils, eyebrows, and inner ears. Finally, darken the contours here.